Children, good morning. Today we'll be talking about chapter number 9 from supplementary reading, What Happened to the Reptiles. Now, this is the story of a village, Pambupati. Now here there were many animals, and the narrator of the story, Prem, he narrates that how he fled from his village under unfortunate conditions to reach Pambupati by chance. Now here an old resident of the village, he looks after him and tells him an interesting story. Now when Prem went to this village, he was so scared because the condition in which he left his or he fled his village was very uncertain, and the people there fought with each other in the name of religion, and so he was too much scared. And when he went here at the village of Pambupati and described the incident to the men, he thought, let me tell you a story which tells about certain reptiles or certain animals that lived here long back. So he said that many years before there were no animals in Pambupati, there were only reptiles. Now he said that when I tell you this story, I know that you will not believe me, but he said that this story is true. So he said that every month these reptiles had meeting and they met each other, and their leader was Makara. Actually Makar, but here we say it as Makara. So he would chair the meeting. Chair the meeting means he was the leader and he instructed others what to do. So he was misusing his power, and he always ordered the tortoise and snakes and the lizards for all the things that he wanted to be done. So once he said to the snakes and tortoise to leave the forest. Now everyone was scared of him, and no one dared to talk in front of him. And one of the reptile, they just asked politely, but if, and they were stopped, and they were told not to speak anything, not to interrupt, and not to ask questions. Whatever I say is correct. And they did not dare even to ask the next time. So these two reptiles, they left. Now the next time, what happened when the tortoise left the forest? Now tortoises are the creatures which eat up all the things that lie on the ground, and so they were actually the nature's cleaner, and they clean everything. But once they left, what happened? Everything became very dirty, and they were worried why this has happened, but they did not come to know why this happened. It was because of the tortoises. Actually they were told to leave because they were very slow, but the crocodile did not know that they are worth, though they are slow, they are worth because they do lot of work. And see, now even the cobras, they were also scared of Makara, and they did not dare to ask anything to Makar. And now what happened is, again he cleared his throat, and he said that now we don't need any more these animals, and we need to throw them out of the jungle. So there were no buts and there were no ifs, and they were told to leave. Now one day what happened? Naga, who was the head of the snakes, so he pleaded for more time, but it was all in vain, and no one listened to him. So now another reason for the snakes to leave the forest. Now Makar said that the snakes are slimy and they make funny noises, so we don't like such weird creatures around, and now the snakes should leave the forest. So the lizards were ordered to leave, and the whole forest now belonged to Makar and his group. See, one by one he just removed each and every reptile. Now what are reptiles? You might have learned in science about the classification of animals, and among them the reptiles are those which crawl and they have scales on their body, and with the help of these scales they move. So likewise, all one by one they were removed or ordered to leave from the forest. Now what was there? There were alone the crocodiles in the whole forest, but they did not know that they have to face many problems now in the absence of their fellow reptiles. Now gradually they realized that their happiness lay in their fellow creatures only, and their happiness and homecoming. If they come back, then we'll be happy. Because what happened, one by one, when every creatures left, the mice and the other creatures who were not dominating and who were under pressure, they came up and they started destroying the whole forest, and everyone was worried because these rats, they are just rodents, and what they do, they mash up everything and they make everything dirty. And what do they do now? The eggs which were laid by all these reptiles were eaten up by the rats, and everything was very difficult. Everything around was very difficult and very critical. So now what happened? The crocodiles were worried. Now what will happen? So now the whole jungle, though it was belonging to the crocodiles alone, but now the life was not very wonderful. Now they had so many problems to face, and they were in a difficult situations. Even the frogs that were there in the forest, they started eating the big baby crocodiles and the insects. And what happened? There were many and many lizards and many snakes and many other creatures in the forest. But now as they fled, what happened? These crocodiles had a terrible time, and they could not understand what had happened to their happy forest home. Now one day, one of the crazy animal, he just went crazy and he just asked that what will happen. So they looked at Makara fearfully, and he was also looking very nervous. And now he agreed that everything has means gone wrong only because of my wrong decision. And he said now that send urgent message to all the creatures, the tortoise, the snakes and lizards, and tell them to come back to Pambupati. And that was a great day when all the creatures came back with their family after family, and all the little ones were back, and their parents also with them, and they were very, very happy. Now what happened last? It happened so that in 2 months the whole forest was back to normal. Why? Because the creatures were living together. Now they have forgotten and let go all their grievances, and they did not want to dominate. They did not want to dominate each other or just lay one another down. And so now what happened? Now as all the animals were back, the rats disappeared, and the insects and the smell that was coming all around from everywhere, now it was no more. So now the man who was telling story to Prem, he said that I think you have gone to sleep and you have gone to the dreamland. So he said, no, I was just thinking that now I'll go back to the village, I'll tell this story to the fellow men in my village, and they'll understand that when we are together, being together is strength. And see, if creatures understand this, then why can't human beings understand the same? So this was all the story about the creatures at the forest, and this is the story written by Zay Whittaker, and he explains the true story of Pambupati village. Hope you understood the story of these reptiles. And now what you can do is again go through the lesson, read the story, and try to write the question answers on your own. Thank you. Have a good day.